In this video, we are going to do Unit 2, Places and Buildings, writing tasks 3 to 5. Before we look at the tasks, let us review our lesson objectives. So in this unit, you will learn how to describe changes over time as shown on a map. And then you are also going to use prepositions to explain location. You need to use past tense verb forms active and passive. Okay, so what is the focus of tasks 3, 4, and 5? We are going to look at prepositions to explain location. Okay. In levels 1 and 2, you've already learned a lot of prepositions of place, prepositions that explain locations, like opposite, middle, beside, between, in, on, next to, behind, below, in front of, near. And off is a preposition that goes with other prepositional phrases like in the middle of, opposite of. Yeah. And in front of. Other useful words and phrases to explain locations are like top left-hand corner or top left corner, top right corner, yeah, far left. So what do we mean by far left? Extreme left, okay? And when we say top left-hand corner, it means on top left-hand side corner, yes? The bottom of. So look for the meaning of the word bottom in your dictionary. Down. Yeah. Okay. And when we're talking about university, we say on a campus. You can memorize this phrase, okay, on a campus. What do we mean by something is on a campus? It means it is in the campus area, in the building, in the university building, in the area of the university building, okay? So, for example, we can say there are 2 cafes on the campus. Okay, we also use phrases like in the middle of the campus as well. You will learn more words and phrases to explain locations in this unit. Now let's look at task 3. Okay, grammar focus, prepositions of place. Let's read the tip. Prepositions are important in any task, including maps. It's important to say exactly where things are located in relation to other places. Okay, so it is very important to say exactly where things are located using prepositions of place. So you can pause the video and read the instruction. So what does the task require you to do? You need to look at the map of Sunny Hill University campus today, okay? And then read these sentences and tick which of these sentences are true. This task is on Moodle, so you can click on the number in Moodle Okay, so you can just pause the video and read the sentences here. I will explain number 1 for you. Look at number 1. The Founders Building is between the Watson Building and the Scott Library. Let's look at the map. So here, the Founders Building is between. So it is always a good idea to underline the preposition used and the names of the places. So we have to look for Founders Building. We have to look for Watson Building and Scott Library. And we need to check if this building is between these two buildings. Okay, let me go back to the map. So look at Sunny Hills University today. Okay, so we are looking for this building, Founders Building. Is it between Watson Building and Scott Library? Yes. So number 1 is true. So we tick number 1. You can click on the number in Moodle. So read these sentences carefully. Okay, you can underline the name of the place and the prepositions used, and then go to the map and check if that sentence is true. Let's go to task 4. In task 4, you need to complete the sentences about the 1995 campus map using the prepositions in the box. So you can pause the video and read the prepositions in the box. Let's do number 1 as an example. The tennis courts were, see the tense, use the verb tense, it's in the past simple. So the tennis courts were dash the football pitch. So you need to look at 1995 campus, yes? So let's look for the tennis courts and then look for the football pitch and see where the tennis courts were located, okay? Let me go back to the map. Okay, so you can see the tennis courts here and the football pitch here. So the tennis courts were located next to the football pitch. Remember, we are looking at the 1995 map. Okay, so what preposition will you choose next to? You can complete this task on Moodle. Okay, let's move on to task 5. Task 5. Pause and read the instruction. So what are you going to do in task 5? You need to complete these sentences with prepositions from the box. Complete the sentences to describe the map of the campus today. Are you going to look at the map of 1995? No, you're going to look at the map today, the map of the campus today. Okay, and explain the location of these places. Number 1, the halls of residence. Remember what I told you in my previous video? Halls of residence means the place where students live or stay on campus. Okay, like a hostel, rooms or flats or buildings where students stay. Okay, all right, so the halls of residence. Now we need to choose a word from here looking at the map. Let me go back to the map. You can see 2 halls of residence. 2 buildings here. Yes. Okay. So halls of residence. Now you need to choose a word from here. Yes. Yeah. So what word, what phrase, a location phrase will you choose? On the left. I remember the halls of residence are on the left. So on the left. Now I need to provide a verb here. And we are writing about, we are describing the map of the campus today. So we don't have to use the past tense. We need to use the present simple. Yes. So the halls of residence, halls, we're talking about halls, 2 halls. We saw 2 buildings, right? Okay. So the halls of residence are on the left side of the campus. So that's how you complete the sentence. You need to add a verb and then the prepositional phrase. Okay, try completing these sentences on Moodle. That's all for today. This is the end of the video. Thank you.